How to use advanced features in Google Calendar. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can use advanced features in Google Calendar. Well, you can use Google's Calendar's advanced features by leveraging keyboard shortcuts, setting up recurring events on your PC, and appointment schedules, creating custom event details, and adjusting settings like time zones and default guest permissions. To get started, you can click Create. Simply open up Google Calendar on your PC or here on your phone and then create and proceed to create an event, and you can set various advanced options. You can use recurring events options, appointments reschedules, custom details. For example, here for recurring event here, right? So you can add event title here. Then if you want video conferencing, you can tap add video conferencing here. You can set for the notifications here. And what you want to do is if you want recurring, you can set it to all day here for all day here. You can tap on more options and you can set it to does not repeat, or you can set it to every day, every week, every month, every year for that particular date. So you can also control the guest permissions and custom details as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.